Now I want to jump into the Solo Connect modems. And how do you set them up? Here we say it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So step 1, you have Go Solo. As an example, we've chosen the LiveU Solo HDMI, which comes in at $9.95. Then you're going to add your starter pack. So this is going to depend on what kind of signal you need. For a lot of cases, that 2 modem kit is awesome and will help back up your stream to the best of its ability at $450. That's 2 modems that come in with cellular bonding that will help you stream without Wi-Fi. Now, if you really want to pack a punch with this device, you're also going to get the 3 modem kit at $650. And what that does is it'll create a Wi-Fi hotspot that you can bond with your cellular bonded signal with the LRT. And now you've got a really, really strong, awesome signal that's bulletproof. Then we're going to talk about your data plan, and we will get into this a little bit more on the show as we go on. But you have 2 options for the data plan. So if you got the 2 modem kit, you're going to select the 2 modem data plan at $295 per month, or the 3 modem kit at $435 per month. And note that you can use your coupon code Solo-Videoguys to receive 5% off. And that's going to be enough to get you streaming. So this is a really, really smart move by LiveU. What I love about it is we've taken the uncertainty of how to set up and we've made it very convenient for the customer courtesy of LiveU, because we're going to provide you the hardware with the LiveU Solo and the Solo Connect modems. You're going to go right to LiveU to register those modems and get your signal, get your service, and that includes your LRT. Then you're set to stream. You pay this fee and you can stream unlimited as many times as you want that month. So a lot of other products will charge you as you go, but what LiveU does that's really cool is you can stream as many times as you want as long as you have that service plan unlimited entirely. So that's really, really awesome. Makes things a lot easier than going to T-Mobile or AT&T and having them set up the service for your modems. So the Solo Connect is a really, really great option for if you're live streaming on the go.